Drinks vocabulary. 50 drinks name in English with picture. Let's start the video. Water, milk, tea, coffee, orange juice, apple juice, grape juice, lemonade, coconut water, mango juice, pineapple juice, strawberry shake, chocolate milkshake, banana shake, smoothie, hot chocolate, green tea, black tea, iced tea, espresso, cappuccino, latte, Americano, mocha, cola, soda water, ginger ale, energy drink, sports drink, root beer, sparkling water, milk tea, bubble tea, lassi, buttermilk, yogurt drink, almond milk, soy milk, oat milk, protein shake, fruit punch, cranberry juice, peach juice, pomegranate juice, kiwi juice, guava juice, watermelon juice, tomato juice, herbal tea, matcha tea. Thanks for watching.